Hi everybody, this is Bethany from Sweet Diva. Today I'm reviewing these great little replacement bands for the Fitbit activity tracker. So these are a great little set. You get all of these in this set. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bands. They all look different. And as you can see, there's an opening back here. So you can just put the device inside of these replacement bands, and they were just the same as the one that it came with. They have these little prongs so that you can attach it to whichever sizing you want. So they're adjustable and they fit to just about any wrist. And then they also come with these little silicone sleeves so that you can keep it secure. So since it's just kind of pushes in, sometimes those come out or might come apart. And I know I definitely don't want to lose my expensive activity tracker that I spent a lot of money on. So so you can just slide one of these on so that it holds it and it's not going to come apart. And so you get a variety of these as well. So so it's a nice little set, really well made, silicone, so that they you know, do a great job of protecting your item, and you can really show off your style with this set. You can check out the full review and more information in the comments of this